Imagine a CEO finishing a book on lean management. First thing Monday morning, they issue a strict new mandate to the operations team: zero inventory, no buffer stock, and an immediate 10% cut to the warehouse staff. Within weeks, the plan backfires. Orders are delayed, staff are struggling through double shifts, machines are breaking down, and the defect rate climbs. This raises a strange paradox. An executive's attempt to eliminate waste often ends up creating a massive, expensive pile of it. Many Western executives studying the Toyota production system focus on the clean floors and absence of waste, but overlook the underlying pressures making this possible. The architects of this system identified 3 distinct structural flaws that destroy productivity, known as the 3 M's. To understand why these initiatives fail, we have to look at how visible waste is actually the final outcome of a much longer chain reaction. We can see this chain reaction in action at a facility like Siam Fast Fulfillment. The operational crisis that eventually destroys their margins doesn't start here on the warehouse floor. For the first 10 days of the month, the warehouse is quiet. The staff easily manages 5,000 boxes a day, with plenty of time for breaks and conversation. This chart tracks daily volume. It's a flat baseline until marketing launches an 11/11 mega sale. The volume shoots violently upwards, hitting 50,000 orders in 24 hours. This manufactured fluctuation is Mura, or unevenness, the hockey stick effect. Most operational disasters start in a boardroom. They are triggered by inconsistent, spike-driven policies that force a stable system into chaos. Warehouse management reacts to the spike by demanding the system break its physical limits to catch up with the surge. They cancel vacations and force employees into 16-hour shifts for days on end. People are lifting heavy boxes and running sorting lines without rest. The machinery takes a hit, too. Conveyor belts are pushed to run at maximum speed 24 hours a day, skipping all required preventative maintenance. Pushing humans and machines beyond their sustainable capacity is the second flaw, Muri, or overburden. While it might seem efficient to keep everyone busy 100% of the time, running a system at total capacity without any buffer guarantees a breakdown. Overworking a team to the point of collapse creates a mathematical certainty. The entire system is about to snap. By the 3rd day of the sale, exhaustion leads to errors. Packers send out the wrong colors, forget promotional items, and mislabel thousands of shipments. The financial damage follows. The company pays for return shipping on 2,000 errors and pays the staff a second time to repackage the orders, all while customer complaints flood in. These defects and the resulting rework are muda, the visible waste that is the primary focus of most lean initiatives. This formula connects the entire chain. It begins with muda, the fluctuation in daily workload. That fluctuation forces the manager to apply mudi, overburdening the staff to survive the spike. Waste is the inevitable output of unevenness and overburden. You cannot simply cut the waste because it is being manufactured by the system's lack of stability. Solving this requires redesigning the structural flow of the work, rather than blaming the people caught in the gears. You fix fluctuation by using heijunka, or leveling. This means working with marketing to run smaller, consistent mid-month promotions that smooth out the demand over time. You fix overburden by building flexibility. Instead of relying on mandatory overtime, you cross-train office staff so they can help the warehouse during minor volume spikes. Finally, you address the waste with physical mistake-proofing. Simple tools like barcode scanners can prevent a tired worker from making a shipping error in the first place. You can audit your own organization with a few specific questions. Is employee turnover concentrated in one department? Do sales only spike at the end of the month? Are you cutting staff while keeping the workload exactly the same? Lasting efficiency comes from stabilizing the system's rhythm and respecting its physical limits. Real productivity happens when you stop manufacturing the chaos in the first place.